In this video, I'll show you how to increase your add to basket rate on Amazon. Hi, I'm Razdita, co-founder of Horizon Marketing, a full-service Amazon marketing agency. Recently, Amazon made a lot of changes to the search page. So we've seen a couple of tests. So we've seen the reviews getting removed, the number of reviews. We've seen averages here. We didn't see reviews at all. We've seen only the stars and not the numbers. So we basically noticed that Amazon is trying to change the way we see the search page just because they want to transition in a new way of purchasing. My personal guess is that they try to limitate the overall time per purchase so people have more time to purchase more products, especially the ones that they already know that they don't need to go into a listing page. So I'll give you an example. Recently Amazon added as well add to basket buttons, and this is a game changer just because the overall experience is different and the overall behavior is different. We can totally add to basket directly here, and we can continue our way of purchasing other products if we want to. Alright, in this example we have a hairbrush, and I want to have a better look. Well, what can we do to increase the chances for someone to add to basket? We have a couple of things. So the Amazon search page is transitioning into a storefront, and basically we need to do all our best to convert directly on the search page. And if that doesn't happening, we need to get the people on our listing. So overall, we have a couple of elements. So the most important is the main image. So the main image is going to tell the customer what the product is. It's going to show it what the product is. The ideal way in the new environment is to have the main image as an infographic image. It needs to basically tell all the features about the product directly in the main. And on the packaging to have the main keyword and also the features of the product, and that will be completely under terms of service. Also, do we have variations inside? Let's say we have a wood hairbrush, and also we would have another 3 colors, red, black and white. In an ideal way, we would have 3 dots here to show that we have different colors as well. So maybe someone who's looking for red brush, they are gonna click on the listing just because they want that, they know that they'll find what they're looking for. Very important is that if we can have a product that we can showcase, we can actually add it in the main image as well. So we can add a hair as well, so we can show what is the hairbrush meant to do. It's basically to brush the hair, to make it straight, to make it better, and basically we can show a before and after in the main image, but that might be a bit challenging to do, so we might need to tweak the main image a couple of times to get it through. The next part is the title. Something interesting here is that only about 80 characters of the title are being seen in the search page, and basically they are the first 80 characters. So we build up a standard way of building the title, where we have the brand name, the main keyword, the customer archetype, the audience, and after that, the main feature. And after that, the next keywords are going. So for example, we have manicure, let's say hairbrush for women and men. After that, just to get the men, if it's applicable. In this example, probably will be for women only. And we'll get the main feature, probably, let's say wooden hairbrush. Let's say is this one, for example. And after that, we get all the other keywords. So we need to explain what the product is in a way to show the customer archetype, the audience, and also the main feature of the product. Very important, we need to share all the technical details. So if we have a 4-pack, it needs to be manicure 4-pack hairbrush. If we have certain dimensions, if we have a compatibility, if we have things like that, they need to be here, and they need to be ideally in the main image as well, just because they're extremely important for the customer. Also, what else can we see? We can see the number of reviews, and it's extremely important to work on a long term continuously on improving the review rate and the review average, and we can do that by better customer experience. And it's a long process, but everything starts with the concept, and after that the way we basically communicate and we retain the customer. So it's a balance between managing expectations in the listing and providing the good quality with the product. Obviously, there are ways of increasing the reviews, so you can ask for reviews. There is a button on Amazon. You can do product inserts and many other ways. Accessing the bad reviews and contacting the customers and offering them courtesy refunds and things like that. The next extremely important is the price, just because the price is going to determine the balance between value and money. So the perception of value, because if this is £3, for example, this seems to be a very good deal for £3. So we might want to be very competitive on price. We might want to apply pricing strategies where we have the first item very, very competitive in terms of price, but we have upselling variations in the listing where we can increase the average cart size. Also, the next is there are the promotions, so vouchers, deals, and all that stuff. We always need to make sure that we have them in a way or another, just because that attracts firstly the eye and might increase the click-through rate. Of course, very important is the delivery. People need to see that they get it very quickly. Ideally, if you're FBA, that's the most ideal. If not, we need to make sure that we work on handling times and all that stuff. So all these actions are meant to increase the add to basket rate, to make the customer, to provide as much information as possible for the customer in order to add to basket directly, if not to get the product on the listing. Once we get the product on the listing, the next job is to make it convert, or if not converting on our product, it needs to convert to a complementary product from our catalog, because sometimes if they don't find the specific thing that they're looking for, we need to give them options. And I will walk you through cross-selling strategies in the next video to show how we can offer the customers questions. Cool. So thank you very much for your time. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, share. It helps immensely.